So hey guys, in this video we will review SiteToolPro. So SiteToolPro is the first to market one-click app where you can create a completely automated website tools in less than 1 minute. And you can instantly load 60 plus online free to use tool used on a daily basis in just a click. You can sell your visitors for your own products, or you can promote affiliate offers to them. You can place banner ads, generate income with the AdSense, and so much and so more. So today we will discuss what type of benefits you will get in this software and what types of tools you will get in this software. So if you're in a hurry, my purchasable link in the description box plus my premium bonus is also in the description box, so you can check it out. So let's quickly come on to the sales page and review that. So the ultimate web tool site builder to help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. So you will get 60 plus free internet tools that are useful and daily online activities. You can drive organic traffic in millions all day long. You will get PowerPoint to PDF, ISO to PNG, text to Slurp, YouTube thumbnail downloader, and other such tools on your site in just a seconds. You can place banner ads at any strategic spots on the site. You can earn commission using affiliate marketing, as I've told. You can generate handsome income through affiliate marketing. You can place banner ads. You can also add some affiliate links on your website like ClickBank affiliate link, Amazon affiliate link. You can add any channel of affiliate marketing link. Then you will get free hosting and domain included. DFY blog builder with built-in 500 plus DFY content sources to drip feed your site every day. Complete in-depth video training. You will also get video training that how to use this software and what other stuff you will get. Then you will also get special bonuses. You will get 30 reseller license if you purchase today. So become an early bird today, and so much more you will get. So if we come down below, you can see you can do all this thing in just 3 steps. So in the first step, just log in into SiteToolPro cloud-based app, as you can see in the GIF sample. Then in the second, you need to just enter your site name. Then in the step 3, watch as the app instantly creates a completely automated web tool site in less than 60 seconds. So here you can see a lot of tools you will get after creating your website. So if we come down below, we can see that what type of tools you will get in this software. So firstly, we can see online PDF tools. So all the tools needed to work with PDF files, easily convert to and from PDF in seconds. Firstly, PowerPoint to PDF, Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, HTML to PDF, image to PDF. You will get image editing tools, create a favicon, flip an image or change the image type with a single click. All essential for image editing are available in one. So in these tools, you can convert ISO to PNG, ISO converter, image to base 64, base 64 to image, flip image, rotate image, JPG to SVG, JPG to PNG, then lot of stuffs you can see. Then if we talk about text content tools, a complete set of text tools is now at your fingertips. Create dummy text, count words or change text classes. So you can convert text to Slurp, Lorem ipsum generator, case converter, word counter, remove link breaks, text to binary, binary to text, and lot of stuff you can see. Then if we talk about website management tools, so you will get HTML decode, URL decode, HTML beautifier, JavaScript beautifier, JavaScript minifier, QR code generators. That's a lot of useful tools you will get. Then if we talk about other tools, so MD5 generator, what is my IP address lookup, color converter, string length, base 64 decode, password generator, YouTube thumbnail downloader, weight converter, length converter, temperature converter. Then as you can see, there are a lot of tools you will get. So yeah, that's all about the SiteToolPro. This is the quick review about SitePro. We have discussed features and we have discussed also some tools, that what types of tools you will get. In order to buy this product, I have mentioned my purchasable link in the description box. If you purchase through me, I'll also give you my premium bonuses. You can contact me on my Instagram handle with the invoice of your software. Then I'll provide you my $1,000 worth bonuses. So that's a wonderful offer for you. So yeah, that's all about SiteToolPro. I'll catch you in the next video.